Yeah.
Welcome to the Haines Show.
I'm Jazzy.
And I'm Courtney. And we're the Haines sisters.
So, well, this is makeup tutorial edition. She did her makeup.
Yeah. So, and we're going to do Jazzy's.
I want to do my own. Yeah, and we got our eyebrows done.
A little bit.
I look like I have a full eyebrow when...
Well, if you would let me finish plucking them, she didn't like it because...
It hurt.
Yeah. Oh, girl, I saw on here.
You want to start with the makeup?
But, my lips are pink.
Hey.
Ow! What? What?
You start makeup?
For what?
Me. You do makeup. Me.
Yeah, but
Okay.
we're back.
Okay, I'm sorry. We
Little malfunction, breakdown.
Yeah, we weren't prepared.
Yeah, because this one just wants to go, not want to have a outline. But whatever. That's why I'm the brains. She's the beauty.
Oh, thank you. Alexa, play Once I Was 7 Years Old from Lucas Graham. By Lucas Graham.
7 Years by Lucas Graham.
Okay.
Alright, so Jazz, step one.
Well, I do the lipstick first. It's going to be a makeup tutorial from Mouth from the Sentence 2. If you know it, probably most of you don't. Probably most of you are adults. Okay, let's start.
So first, before you put your lipstick on or any type of lip product, you should probably moisturize your lips with some type of chapstick or lip balm. For now, for Jazzy, all you girls your age and going into the
5th grade.
You don't need to have any of that lipstick and a bunch of lip glosses and stuff that your maybe older sister, cousin, mom, aunt, grandma use.
These would work. Okay, now first I have to put this on. Just put over it.
So she put chapstick on.
Okay. Now, first step for me, what I do is red lipstick. No, pink, hot pink.
Don't go too crazy now, girl.
You can tell it's pink. Hot pink. I'm actually
So now what are you doing?
mascara.
Oh, she doesn't make the face. She's too professional. Jazzy is applying her sparkle mascara that she got from Claire's from her friend Nevaeh.
Best friend.
There you go. Go up, nice, small, gentle strokes. You got a little on your eye, that's alright. Now she's doing her underarm.
Oops.
She put a mascara on her underarms. Alright.
Just want to make sure it's long, nice and long, but not perfect.
Okay.
No, it's perfect. You know that. Okay, I'm just gonna. Okay, there we go.
Okay.
Okay, we're done. Now for mouth, we're gonna have this purple. This is also from Claire's. It comes together, goes together. Then this. I like to do the purple first because it brings out the eyeshadow in your eyes. So just start. Then I do the pink, yeah. Ooh! This show. This is pink. We put this video on YouTube. people just subscribe.
Jazzy just made a valid point. Please like, comment, and subscribe on into our channel, The Haines Show.
I smack her a lot on this channel.
Yeah, she does. She does.
I yell at her too. We all hope Debbie's better.
Yeah.
So that's all. And next time I will do maybe an easy makeup tutorial.
You need to come up with like a really good ending.